Want to earn big money online in 2025 without ever leaving your home? Then stop scrolling for a second, because what I'm about to share could literally change your life. This isn't just another side hustle video. This is your wake-up call, because in 2025, the internet isn't just for watching videos and checking memes. It's your gateway to freedom, wealth, and independence, if you know where to look. We're talking real skills, real demand, and real money. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree, a huge investment, or even years of experience. Just a laptop, an internet connection, and the hunger to learn. These are the top 5 high-income online jobs that are booming in 2025. Each one has the potential to unlock a completely different life for you. So stay with me, because the right idea could be your turning point. Job number 1, AI prompt engineer, the future's best-kept secret. You don't have to be an AI developer to make money with AI. You just need to communicate with it better than most people can. As an AI prompt engineer, you'll craft precise instructions, aka prompts, for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and Claude, helping businesses generate exactly what they need: text, images, code, insights, content, you name it. Why it's powerful? AI is exploding in every industry, but most people don't know how to use it effectively. That's where you come in, the human who speaks AI fluently. What you'll do: write smart, structured prompts for specific business goals, optimize outputs for clarity, creativity, or conversions, help brands automate content, design, emails, and more. Average pay? Anywhere from $75 to $150 per hour, and even more if you specialize. Some freelancers are raking in $10K, $20K a month with just a few clients. This is the perfect job for fast learners and creative thinkers. And the opportunity? Still early, still wide open. Job number 2, remote copywriter or scriptwriter. Words still sell. Think copywriting is old school? Think again. In 2025, businesses live or die by their words. And those words come from people like you. As a remote copywriter or scriptwriter, you'll create emails, sales pages, social captions, YouTube scripts, and more. Your job? Get people to feel something, to take action, to buy. If you've got the ability to write like you speak, to move people with your words, this is your playground. Top niches in 2025: finance, health, AI tools, and education, tech and software, self-help, and productivity earnings. Beginner, $500, $2,000 month. Intermediate, $3,000, $6,000 month. Top tier, $10,000+ per month with no cap. And here's the truth: copywriting is freedom. You can live anywhere, work anytime, and write for clients around the world. Job number 3, high-ticket closer, sell and win. If you're good at talking to people, this one's for you. As a remote high-ticket closer, your job is to hop on Zoom calls and close deals for premium products and services. You don't find the leads. You don't run ads. You just convert warm prospects into paying clients. Industries are hiring like crazy. Coaching programs, SaaS companies, digital agencies, online education platforms. Why it's powerful? One deal can pay you $500 to $5,000 in commissions. Some closers make $20K, $50K per month with nothing but Wi-Fi and a calendar. This job teaches you sales, persuasion, confidence, the most valuable skills in business and life. Job number 4, online course creator or coach. Turn knowledge into income. If you know something, anything that others want to learn, you've got a gold mine. In 2025, we're living in the age of the creator economy. People aren't just watching content, they're paying for transformation. Whether it's productivity, coding, language learning, fitness, cooking, mental health, investing, or mindset, there's a hungry audience for it. You can teach using Teachable, Kajabi, Gumroad, or even just YouTube. Plus Notion. What's possible? Some creators make 6 to 7 figures a year. And the best part? A lot of it becomes passive income once your course is built. Your knowledge is an asset, and now's the time to cash in on it. Job number 5, freelance video editor or YouTube manager. The creator's secret weapon. YouTube is booming, and creators need help more than ever. They need editors. They need thumbnail designers. They need SEO managers. They need people that pop, hook, and retain viewers. If you've got an eye for detail, a sense of storytelling, or a little editing experience, you're already valuable. Tools to learn. CapCut, great for beginners. Filmora Premiere Pro After Effects, YouTube Studio for analytics. Freelancers are earning $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client, and with YouTube exploding, the demand is only rising. Offer full-service packages, editing plus thumbnails plus titles, plus publishing where more value, more money. Bonus tip: stack your skills to 5x your income. Want to break the ceiling? Combine roles, write scripts, plus edit videos. YouTube Gold: create courses, plus run paid ads. Six-figure brand: use AI plus copywriting. Limitless leverage: the more value you bring, the more people will pay. The winners in 2025 aren't just freelancers, they're personal brands, Swiss Army knives, problem solvers. Conclusion: inspire action. The truth is, no one's coming to save you, but you don't need saving, you need a roadmap. And now you have one. You've just seen 5 of the most powerful online income opportunities of 2025. Now it's your move. Pick one, commit, learn, take action, because the freedom you're chasing, the income you dream of, it's not some fantasy. It's real and it's waiting for you. On the other side of effort, focus, and belief. So, which online job are you going to master in 2025? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more life-changing income ideas. Your new life starts here.